All right. Hey guys, this is Gus from Runaway Acres. How you guys doing today? So, today is strawberries. Alrighty, so what we're doing here is we're covering up our strawberry plants to keep the birds out. We do this every year. We use bird netting. We used to buy it a big bag of it at Menards when we lived up in Michigan, and I haven't found any down here since we've been down here. So I got some gray plastic netting, and it's 1 inch by 1 inch squares. The bird netting, I believe, is 1/2 inch. Yeah, it's 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch squares. But this is the stuff we got laying around here. We got a lot of it, so that's what we're going to use. Next is insect hoops. Your hoops for your plants. I like to keep my strawberries raised because I do not like bending over picking strawberries. Neither one of us do. So our strawberries are in a Rubbermaid tote. I believe that is a 50-gallon tote. I drilled a hole right there so it drains. And this is full of sand, tree bark milling, and peat moss, and this is all mixed up. It's got quite a bit of sand in it. Well, we're from Michigan. A lot of our strawberries grew in sandy conditions, so that's what we're copying. And second year of growing strawberries in here. Awesome. This was a strawberry planted 2 years ago. I don't know what happened. I think we had it in too shade of an area, and it's not coming back to us so well this year. Don't know. We'll figure it out. We ain't worried about it this way. All right, so now, here I go again. Already now, so. What we do is we drilled a hole here and a hole across the way. You can see on here, this is a reinforced section of the Rubbermaid tote. So we drilled a hole here, hole there, hole there, hole there. And then we drilled some holes here. Let's come over here to this one. You can see that this one that was right here, it goes over across to there. Same way with this one. Over there, and then we drilled a hole there, hole there. We didn't measure it out. We just kind of laid it up there. So we put one in there, zip tied it to these other ones, zip tie in the center, same way the other side. And that kind of makes a dome. over it. Right there. There's that one up and over there. This corner. Over to that corner. This corner. Over that corner. So now we got the netting on this one right here. We kind of drilled a bunch of holes right here for the netting, and we zip tied the netting down, up and over. All right, remember, if you like what we're doing here, smash that thumbs up button. Yeah, smash it up. Subscribe to our channel.
And the ding-ling-ling bell.
Oh, and don't forget the little ding-ling-ding-ding bell. All right.
You'll get the hang of it eventually.
All right, so come around there on the backside, please. Over there.
Okay.
All right, so we got our netting here, our second piece, and it does overlap the top, and we want to bring it down to the bottom and have an extra square hanging out. What I thought, when I zip it here, and that'll fold over and then zip those together, it'll zip it like that. So I'm gonna drill some holes right here. I just put them about anywhere. Alrighty, so I put another piece straight across, halfway down from the top and up there, zip tied it on these outside pieces so we can actually get in there and pick our strawberries. There will be another piece that'll overlap right here, and that'll be it. Alrighty, so that's it for today. Just a quick. Got any questions, feel free to drop a line. I'll get back with you and explain it a little bit more, or if I need to. But that'll keep the red-winged blackbirds out of there. I'll keep our blue jays out of there. Our blue jays they're terrible. They're in there eating our fruit and everything. I mean, I just don't want them to get in there this early in the season. So if you like what we're doing here, remember, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, hit the little ding-a-ling-ding-ding bell for notifications. Until next time, God bless everybody, and have a good weekend.